How to delete all contacts data on Snapchat app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete all contacts data easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Snapchat. Now this is the home page. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar. Now after you click on your avatar, go to the top corner again and click on the settings option. Now scroll down until you find the contact sign in right here. Click on it and click on delete all contacts data right here and click confirm. It's very easy and fast. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.